animals on earth are invertebrate. Most of the animals on earth are invertebrates. What is an invertebrate animal? It is an animal that doesn't have a backbone. Some types of invertebrates live on land and some types live in water. Let's talk about sponges. These are pictures of sponges. Now, sponges are animals that move very little, very little. Their bodies are full of holes, as you can notice here. This colorful substance, it goes in their bodies through the holes. How do they eat? They filter tiny bits of food from the water. Sea stars and sea urchins. Look at these pictures. Sea star, sea urchin. Sea urchin. These are sea stars. Now, look at this picture here. Take a good look here too. Now, to their traits. Sea stars and sea urchins have spiny body covering. Spiny body covering, as you can notice. They have spiny body covering. And they don't have a head, but they have a mouth. They have a mouth. They move and capture food using tiny suction cups called tube feet. Tube feet. Worms. Look at these pictures here. Worms have soft tube shaped bodies with no legs, eyes, or shells. They live in water, in soil, or even inside other animals. Uh, these worm inside an animal intestine. So soft tube shaped bodies, no eyes, no legs, no shells. They live in water, soil, or even inside other animals. Corals and jellies. Okay, jellies, corals, and corals. They are underwater animals. They have soft bodies. They both have mouths and arm like parts called tentacles. They grab food with their tentacles. Mollusks, like snails, they have soft bodies. I'm gonna mention some examples: snails, squids, octopus, clams, oysters, and scallops. Now to arthropods. Arthropods. Arthropods is the largest group of invertebrates. Okay, these are the characteristics or the special traits of arthropods group. They have jointed legs, a body with two or more sections, and a hard outer covering. We call it exoskeleton. It protects and support the animals. Now, arthropods is divided into four groups. insects, and this is the largest group of arthropods, centipedes and millipedes, spiders, crabs, lobsters, and crayfish. Let's talk about insects. As we mentioned before, this is the largest group of arthropods. These insects have 6 legs and 3 body sections. They may or may not have wings. So some of them have wings, like these here, and some of them don't have wings. Okay, these are examples of insects. They have exoskeleton, 3 body sections, 6 legs. They reproduce by laying eggs. Now, centipedes and millipedes. Look at these pictures. They have segmented bodies, as you can see, segmented bodies. Spiders. Now, spiders have 8 jointed legs, 2 body sections. Many spiders spin webs. Crabs, lobsters, and crayfish. Crab, lobsters, and crayfish. They have exoskeleton that is very hard. It's almost like a shell. Very hard exoskeleton. And that's it for invertebrate animals.